to another Learn Extra video. Today we'll look into how to solve for quotient and remainder without long division. How to get the answer fast, quick, without the long process. This is for those of you who are writing OBJ exam. So in the case of speed and accuracy, I will show you a method of solving fast. It's called the syntax method. So quickly, the shortcut is like this. We shall be solving this thing we have solved already with the long division from the previous video. Now we'll solve again, this time fast, without the long division. So how do we do this? First of all, we'll make it cool. We'll remove all the x in the question. So how do I achieve this? Watch. It's simple. Just write out all these things without the x. Write out all, like remove the x, like remove their clothes. Remove all the x and the powers. If I give you, let me say, 2x power 5 and say remove the x and their clothes, remove the x and all, what do we do? Remove the x and the powers. So you come here, remove the x and the powers from each of these terms. So when we do that, if I remove this, nothing will remain, and nothing means 1. Yeah, when I come here, remove x and the power, I'll have 2, positive 2. When I come here, remove x and the power, I'll have minus 5. This one, no clothes. So we'll say it's 3, just 3. That's it. We have removed the x and the powers from the function. This method makes it easier for everyone. Some persons are not good with x. If you give someone now to solve this, let's say 3 minus x equal to 0 to solve, I know you would think is 3 or minus 3. You'll be confused. So solve this equation to find x here. You'll be confused. But this same question, when we are smaller, younger, in primary school, questions like this, you don't fail them. Why? There was no x. Those days, they will give you 3 minus box equal to 0. They will say, fill in the box. You can never fail this because there is no x. So here, what's x? X is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So what do you understand? When there is no x, the mathematics becomes simple. So we are solving these things without the x to make the mathematics simple. So far, we have removed all the x and their powers. All the x and the powers, we have removed them. We have this left. So I call it removing their clothes. Removing their clothes. So over here, the multiplier, what do we do? A simple math is applied here. You ask yourself, what makes this divisor 0? What makes here 0? That's when x is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. So we shall take our x as 2. That 2 is called the multiplier. So we shall place our multiplier somewhere around here. So let's start. Pay attention. So to apply this method, we'll simply bring down the first one here. The one you have here first, bring it down twice. 1. Hope it's clear. Yes. We'll start. So now if I multiply 2 times the last one. 2 times the last one. What's the answer? 2. 2 times 1 is what? 2. When you multiply the next thing you do is add, multiply, add, multiply, add. So we have 2 times 1, 2. Let's add. 2 plus 2, 4. Now, after adding, what do we do again? We multiply. 2 will times the last one here. 2 times 4, 8. What do we do now? We add, multiply, add. So have minus 5 plus 8. What's the answer? 3. We'll go again. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 3, 6. Add, you have 9. Yes, that's it. This last one here is your remainder. Yes. Now this one here is your quotient. Just that you won't know, you have to wear them back their clothes. Put back the x and the powers. So for 3 times 1, 2, 3, I will start x from power 2 for 3 times. X squared x. Then no x, put plus. So my quotient is going to be x squared plus 4x plus 3. And my remainder, my quotient is this, and my remainder is equal to 9. So let's do one more example on this to make sure that you are following. Let's negate the question. Let's remove their clothes. Remove the clothes of x here. I'll have 2. Yes, 2. Over here, we'll have 4. Over here, we'll have 2. Over here, we'll have 1. Naked already. So we are going to get our multiplier, and that is whatsoever that is going to make our divisor 0. I think in this case, our multiplier is going to be minus 3. Like I said earlier, anything you have here, bring it down twice. Let's start. Multiply, you add. Multiply, you add. So start by saying minus 3 times 2, that's minus 6. We add. When we add these two things together, press 4 plus minus 6, that is minus 2. Minus 3 times minus 2, what's the answer? That will be 6. So add. 2 plus 6 is 8. Right? Minus 3 times 8 is minus 24. When I add, I'll have minus 23. Always. The last one here is your remainder. And this 3 here is your quotient. You wouldn't know until you wear them back their clothes. So if I wear them back their clothes, it's 3 times. If it's 4 times, you start with power 3. For 3 times, you start with x power 2. So I'll start here. I'll start with x power 2, x power 2, x power 1, which is this. No sign means positive. So my quotient here is 2x squared minus 2x plus 8. And my remainder is equal to minus 23. This is a better way of solving quotient and remainder for multiple choice examinations. Once more, I am Auget Emmanuel from Learn Extra team. Thank you for watching.